Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a feature to protect your Android mobile phone from hacking and tapping. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you have to activate developer mode on your setting. You can go to your settings and then you're going to go to the about phone. You have to scroll down until you find this about phone menu, and we're going to go to the software information. Okay, and you have to tap on this build number many times until the developer mode has been turned on, and I'm going to tap on it like this. Okay, and I'm going to go back now. As you can see that the developer mode has been turned on, and I'm going to go back to the main setting and then open the developer options. Okay, and in this developer options, we need to scroll down until we find this menu, quick settings developer tiles, and we're going to activate this feature, sensors off. Okay, right after you activate this feature will appear on your quick setting panel. So you need to go to the quick setting panel and activate this feature. Okay, and after this feature has been activated, all your sensors like camera, microphone, accelerometer, and etc. will be turned off, and it will protect you from people who want to hack your phone. Alright guys, and that's all the way to protect your Android mobile phone from hacking or tapping. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.